In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting one of your albums or tapping on Photos at the top. Wherever you decided, after locating your photo that you wish to delete, hold it. And to select all of them, click on Select All at the top right corner. Now, to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on those little blue dots. And to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!